custom truck with a good look. Nice build. 1968 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, short box, as you can see. Kind of a resto mod, I guess, if you will. Custom paint job. This blue and silver with the highlighted green and orange, turning into a small flame in the back. Paint shows well on this truck. There's actually the clear vinyl adhesive protectant behind the wheels on the front, and then the same thing on the rear. So it's helped keep down on rock chipping. Take a look at the front chrome bumper and the driving lights, cut in, custom made. Grill, headlight surrounds. Nice looking front end of the 68s, and that paint scheme accents it. This truck will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Underneath the hood, 5.3 liter, so more modern power plant. 4L60E, so automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. One of our techs noted the AC clutch was not engaging, just so you know. Riding on 20-inch US mag wheels, radial tires that have less than 200 miles on them. If you want to check out the still pictures of this truck so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Custom interior, as you can see. Split bench, got 40-20-40. Fold down center console. We'll get around to the driver's side so you can take a little closer look at the interior. I'll start it up, let you hear it run. Coming back to the rear of the truck, you can see again that custom paint with the flames, custom lighting on the rear. And of course, look at the bed. Nice wood and stainless finish. Gas fill is here, so we have no gas doors anywhere on the truck itself. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle, again, may be available for that extendable warranty protection plan. Consult with your sales associate. Take a peek from the rear on the passenger side to the front. And again, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, chips. You may find one here or there looking over the magnifying glass, but they are few and far in between. There was a couple, maybe right up in the front, where you may expect one, couple really tiny, small touch-ups. Barely see. Let's check out this interior a little closer. Door panels, also custom, kind of carrying out that flame theme. Power windows. Wow, look at the setup on the interior of this. We're going to go ahead and turn this. Let's see if the power seats work for us. Go ahead and turn the key on. Figured they would. There's a power seat over here on the driver's side. Shoulder belt. Custom embroidered Chevy logo with the 68. Tilt column. Digital gauges. It's a nice build, folks. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Looks like it shows about 12,158. I would assume that that is the miles since it was built. This was built 8 years ago in the neighborhood of $100,000 plus. Pioneer, custom stereo installed. Shows cruise control switches here. It appears that all the gauges are working too. Looks like oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I expect the temp to be up. Tach, digital speedometer readout here, and then also miles per hour here. Voltmeter and fuel gauge. Painted inside cab to match. Yes, nice seating setup, and again that tilt column. Oh, nice, and that door closes. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. Just a good sounding 5.3 liter, again with that automatic with overdrive transmission. Nice looking paint. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. All right, get a look underneath the hood. Also painted to match. And look at this engine bay. There it is. 5.3 liter V8 headers. Power steering, power brakes. And vintage AC. But again, tech noted the compressor did not get down or off. Battery disconnect. Nice look underneath there. Don't have to be worried about opening your hood. At a car show with this one. Yes, that says Vortec 6.0 or 6000. Making it look like that engine's a little bigger than it really is, I think. '68 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Look at the stance of that. Now remember, this comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1968 Chevrolet C10. This truck is a bit modified in many good ways. A little bit lower, a little more power, a lot more power. Custom gauges. We have excellent acceleration. Got a digital speedometer in the middle, gauges all around. Oil pressure is 50, temperature is 185. The fuel's reading full and the volts are reading 13.5. Bon Jovi on the Pioneer radio. Very good sound system. This truck holds straight when you let go of the steering wheel. Very good alignment. Awesome ride. Hugs the road. No body sway in this. It's been lowered for handling. Brakes work good. Let's go around here and accelerate one more time. Excellent running truck, fast and fun. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.